This is a Singer Touch and Sew Model 603E. This is one of the few models that were made with all metal gears in the Touch and Sew line. It is a gear drive. There's no belt. This is a basic straight stitch machine until you add the Singer top hat cams. You can adjust your needle position from left, center to right. Your stitch width, your stitch length. It does have reverse. Under the top panel is where your cams go. And there's some information under the top panel there, and it does come with the essential zigzag cam. It also comes with 11 more cams. It also has a straight stitch needle plate, your chain stitch needle plate, zipper foot, hammer foot, special purpose foot, straight stitch foot, binder, fabric guide, bobbins, and lots of goodies in there. You also get an emailed copy of the instruction manual in PDF form. This is your spare spool pin for twin needle sewing. And for twin needle sewing, you just insert 2 needles side by side. You don't need to buy a special needle. It just uses 2. And of course it has the wind in place bobbin, and it uses the 2-piece screw together plastic touch and sew bobbins. Okay, sew a little for you here. Pretty smooth running machine. It is a touch and sew, so it's not silent. Any touch and sew that you sew with is going to be a little noisy. Just the nature of the model. Zigzag. Nice balanced stitches, and then also the other cams will do decorative designs like that. Like I said, this is an all metal machine, no plastic gears. The 603 and the 600 were all metal, and very few of the 626s. This is 10 layers of cotton. I'm using a size 16 needle. You also get these fabric samples with the machine. Bobbin winder. I did wind this bobbin with the bobbin winder. It's grumpy right the first couple revolutions. I did the first couple by hand. After that it's just fine. But that's also the nature of these machines. This is a 5 layers of upholstery. Tabletop ready, or you can put it in a cabinet or a carrying case. Your choice. 5 layers of denim. Nice balanced stitch there. And this machine does use the slanted attachments and feet. If you want a buttonhole for it, you need to buy the one in the pink case. That one is meant for slant shank machines. This is 4 layers of leather. Nice job on 4 layers of leather. And that is the Singer Touch and Sew Model 603E.